welcome back to another video. Here we have two Volkswagen Mark 8 Golf Rs which are both for sale. You can find out more information about them on our website. We're going to do a little exhaust comparison. On the black one we have the standard exhaust system, but on the blue one we have the Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. This is a £3,600 optional extra from the factory and a factory optional extra only. You cannot buy that as an aftermarket option. It weighs 7 kilograms lighter than the standard system and it's distinctive by the quadruple perforated tailpipes. So here's how they sound back to back. So is the Akrapovic titanium exhaust system worth it? Well, we think so, to a number of reasons. One, when you hear it rev from the outside, it's a lot more louder, the exhaust tone is a lot more fierce and there's a lot more clarity to it. Two, all of that you can hear a lot louder from the inside, so for the driver experience it's a lot more engaging and a lot more exciting hearing all them tones and pops and crackles. And three, Akrapovic are good at making attractive titanium exhaust systems. They are visually pleasing from the rear, so when you stand back and you look at them tips, it kind of completes the rear of the car. So yeah, we think so. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We'll see you next time.